Today for the Bitcoin and Ethereum price. And yes, guys, this will be absolutely brutal and crazy for all Bitcoin and Ethereum bears. Why am I saying that? Potentially, we are having the most decisive moment in the history of Bitcoin and Ethereum actually looming. I want to be talking about that. And why am I saying these things? Well, let me go here straight into the chart. Tell you what the heck I'm actually talking about here. First of all, Bitcoin. We will talk about Ethereum as well. As you remember, Bitcoin broke down from this ascending broadening wedge. And yesterday I talked about not only the scenario of Bitcoin breaking back in. No, I told you when we are actually getting a rejection here that I'm expecting 52,600 US dollars up to the dollar. This is the price target I mentioned as the bearish price target. And you see we got here this bounce. Now the question is, are we going to see the bullish scenario unfolding after we hit the price target? Well, first of all, I wanted to play you this little clip here from yesterday's video where I was predicting this exact price target to come, 52,600 before I am going into my prediction as to what is going to happen to Bitcoin and Ethereum right now here in the immediate short term. Look at this little clip here from yesterday. Because you know the deal, guys. If Bitcoin gets a rejection here, we are looking out for at least the price target of 52,600 US dollars. This is the bearish price target we have to keep in mind. Well, and as you can see, exactly that happened. We hit the price target. I mentioned 52,600. As you can see, wait a second, as you can see right here, that's the exact price target. So off by like $150, pretty accurately hit here. And as you can see, the Bitcoin price reversed here exactly when we hit the bottom of the ascending broadening wedge and went towards the upside, which is in it of itself already a quite bullish signal here, because there was not a very apocalyptic scenario here, just a small bearish price target which we perfectly hit here. So now the question is, what is going to happen next to Bitcoin? What is going to happen next to Ethereum? Well, first of all, I want to show you the pattern I am looking out for Bitcoin right now. What you can see here, you know what? Let me go over to the 4-hourly candles. What you can see here on the 4-hourly candles, actually, if I'm zooming in a little bit, is that Bitcoin is forming after, you can treat that actually also as a inverse head and shoulders pattern, right? It's legit to do so, definitely. I am treating this here as a W pattern personally, because well, head and shoulders pattern in and of itself, it's not the strongest performance, and yeah, also we have this downward sloping neckline, which is not like all the touch points. It's definitely very legit to do so. I'm personally preferring here the W pattern. As you can see, we have the first V actually, very dominant one, and then we have here this neckline built by this rejection point, and right now it seems like Bitcoin is forming the second V here. So in case Bitcoin goes and closes a 4-hourly candle above the 55,600 US dollar levels, and we need volume confirmation here, in this specific case I would be looking out for the measured move price target all the way up here towards the upside, approximately pretty much exactly slightly below the 64,000 US dollar price levels. Why am I personally saying that this might be very, very interesting for Bitcoin? Well, let me go over to the daily candles. And guys, bear here with me. This is actually a very, very nice one. If I'm going to the daily candles and pulling out the EMA ribbon, then you can see that the breakout of this potential W pattern here would coincide with the break above the EMA ribbon here, the daily ribbon on the EMA. And if I show you the daily ribbon on the EMA actually, then you can see the whole last 6 months, Bitcoin didn't break below. Like, we never broke below. This is already October last year where we broke below. But the moment we are breaking above again, right here on the daily, I can go back. The moment we are breaking above again, let me show you this here once again. This is the moment of a significant run towards the upside. And this works actually every single time. I could go back here, look at this. The moment we broke up, we basically never hit these price levels again. So this works time and time again for Bitcoin. So the price level I am looking out for, the price level where I will go into Bybit and show you exactly what I'm planning here, where I will go full on bull mode, full on crazy mode here. This is 55,646 US dollars. Let me quickly go back. And of course, we are going to talk about Ethereum as well. I want to go into Bybit. I want to go into the chart and also tell you exactly where I'm entering the position, where I'm exiting the position. I wanted to tell you guys, first of all, big shout out, of course, to everyone here following our trades. It has been beautiful. It's always beautiful since like a year or so. Like it's just completely ludicrous right towards the upside. Our gains are amazing. Of course, every now and then we are maybe not hitting one, but overall I think we are doing very well, and I'm very proud of you guys actually going this profitable journey here with us. I wanted to remind you, if you are not using any bonus link yet, what are you waiting for? I mean, go into the pinned comment down below and you get 2,520 US dollars if you are already trading, if you are planning to trade as a profitable trader. You might as well use the bonus link down below. Claim the bonus, 2,520 US dollars after making your account. Takes a few seconds. Then after your initial deposit, you can accumulate it. Claim these bonuses on Bybit alone. My favorite exchange, 1,610 US dollars for free. And on margin, you can trade this bonus and you can withdraw the profits from this free trade also as well. Look at this beautiful view. I want to go over into the Ethereum chart as well, of course, but this is the biggest wheel in the world. Very beautiful. Smash up the like button if you think that's a big one. I think everyone has to think it's a big one because there's no bigger one in the world. Anyway, I will go over into the Ethereum charts. I, of course, will talk about my trade here on Bitcoin as well. But this is one I'm looking out for, guys. This is certainly a very special one. And, of course, a rejection from the daily. This is just something I feel obligated, right, to tell you. A rejection of the daily usually it results in a very, very bearish scenario. So we really do not want to be rejected here. This year was no rejection. As you can see, we dipped above. That was just a temporary fake out. But if we are actually getting rejected, look at this. If Bitcoin goes below and we are getting a strong rejection of the daily EMA, this is a very, very apocalyptic scenario. So I do not want to see that. I do not want to see that because this is usually something for the history book, something for the bears here. So let's wait and see here if Bitcoin actually can go above and break this one towards the upside. And one hint whether it is going to happen like that, one hint whether this bullish scenario is going to come into place might be Ethereum. Ethereum might be giving this to us. So if I'm going over into Ethereum right now, we are here on the 4-hourly candles for Ethereum, then we can see, you know what? Let me go over to the hourly candles for Ethereum. Then you can see that Ethereum is still trapped in that triangle and this ascending bottom wedge. And as you know, Ethereum is breaking patterns before Bitcoin. If Ethereum is not breaking the pattern, it is the highest likelihood that Ethereum is breaking, Bitcoin is breaking towards the upside again. So this trend line here is a very legit one, the upwards one also, but now we didn't hit the resistance for a long time, which could indicate that maybe another pattern within a pattern is looming here. And if I'm pulling that out, you can see maybe a rising wedge here is actually unfolding for Ethereum. And well, let me quickly tell you what the price target is for the rising wedge in case it is finally freaking going to break out here. You know what? Let me take this one here. Then the rising wedge breakout towards the upside would bring us all the way towards the 3,000 US dollar price level for Ethereum. However, a rising wedge is a bearish price target. So in case of a breakdown, and Ethereum is very strong, so maybe it's not the highest likelihood, but it would bring us down to 2,560, maybe the long-awaited wipe out, like washing out the weekends we need for Ethereum, because you know Ethereum usually has these crazy wicks where it's just wiping out the people, and this didn't happen for a very long time here. So let's just wait and see what happens. If you are in a profitable trade right now, I would put my stop losses below the pattern here so you can take some profits with you, and I would personally just trade the breakout towards the upside here with my price target slightly below the 3,000 US dollar levels. For Bitcoin, I already mentioned it to you guys. I will go into Bybit here shortly. I will be definitely trading only the bullish case. The bearish case is for me a waiting case. If we are breaking above the 55,400 US dollars right here, especially a daily closure above the daily EMA ribbon, this is something I would be trading. And the price target I already mentioned is at 64,000 US dollars all the way up towards the upside here. So let me quickly go over into the Bybit chart. And by the way, guys, follow me on Twitter at MMCrypto. This potential Bitcoin W breakout can shoot us to 64,000. I'm giving you these updates here, and of course not all of them accurate, but most of them actually perfectly hitting the price target. The last ascending bottoming wedge was the perfect example for that. So at MMCrypto, follow me on Twitter. I give everything out for free, guys. There are no downsides. Just follow me over there and you get all these things for free. So here you can see this is my second Bybit account, and there's no trade open. I have another trade open actually with $550,000 in profits. Here you can see I already already have 3.4 Bitcoin available for my upcoming trade. I will scale in, and probably at a 10x leverage, it will be like at least a 2-3 million US dollar position size on the specific trade. So I'm really planning to make a significant trade on there as well. So make sure, wait. Yeah, perfect. So make sure if you want to trade this volatility, you are using the links down below, and you smash up the like button, and you leave your favorite comments in there, your favorite altcoins in the comment section down below. And of course, let me know if you want more Bitcoin and Ethereum content as well, and I will push it to you. So make sure you make noise for the algorithm, and the more noise you make, the more content I will push to you. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and we will see each other very soon at the next one of MMCrypto. And as always, guys, bye-bye.